Here's this Rheem air conditioner by this Josie's Pizza place. So this one is running. This guy can read RA1360AJINA. Filter dryer right there. There's this guy very let's see. Yeah, this also got a little breaker pull out thing box. Yeah, it's like, yeah, I don't, wait, I think this came out, like, this was manufactured in like 2002 or something like that, or 2003. Yeah, see, Rheem logo. Yeah. This was stuff, yeah. So you see, right, so this one instead of air conditionings are staying time. If y'all into air conditioners, please comment below and give me a thumbs up and have a good day.